Okay, so another quick unboxing video. This time it's for the Shuttle XH110. There's the specs for this particular one. H110 Express chipset, i5, i3 and i7, as long as it's below 65 watts. DDR3L, So-DIMMs, and the other stuff. If you want to read that, obviously you can pause it. So let's open it up and have a look, see what we get. There's a box of bits, a quick guide, desiccant, sweets, and that's the box empty. Here's the actual computer, a little sort of bag thing. Here it is, very small, quite cute. There's the back of it, so we get that. Drop that down there, get that out of the way. See what we get in the quick start guide. I think it's just multi-language. That's the English one. Here's all the jumper settings, what the back panel does, motherboard. The other side is in Spanish, so that's the English one. Yeah, it's all the same ones, just lots of different languages. That there. Now here's the bits box, see what we get in there. That's actually an EU power plug, or US one. There's the mains for it. A little bit of thermal paste, protective cover for the processor socket, a little bag of screws, and the CD. So that's pretty much what you get with it. I'm going to get a UK one of those. So yeah, that's what you get. You get the device itself, a little bag of bits, some thermal paste because it's got a built-in heatsink, driver CD, which probably is unnecessary, and that's it really. So not a great deal of stuff with it. The actual thing itself, that's Leatherman Wave, is quite small. Quite cute. Yep, any questions about it, pop them in the comments, and thanks for watching.